job. I want you to look at this, ladies and gentlemen. 84 GMC. Stacking them up in a great hook. I'm talking about made a good pull right there now. Out of Linden, Tennessee, 309 and 3. Short wheelbase. Half ton. Actually, I think, yes, half ton truck. Four-wheel drive coming to us. He's got 5 or 6 trucks in this division. I believe 5. Four trucks actually in this division. This is one of 4 entries, 79 model Chevrolet. Here from Linden, Tennessee, ladies and gentlemen. Got that big chrome stack coming out of the back. And we're under green. All right, Chevrolet people, look what you got right here. To spin around a little bit, trying to maintain this, get a little extra bite if he can. And got to bouncing. Oh, you don't want to bounce. He's funny out at 254.9. Bouncing is bad. It is a 1-ton. Full 1-ton truck. And this is an 87 model. Here we go. Y'all still with me now. These guys waited a long time. We appreciate all of our pullers. Like I say, we're over that century mark. Hey, getting the bouncing just a little bit. Trying to maintain, getting some ground speed, as you can tell. Look at that white box. That's very, very, very important. Got a good run going. That's shiny. Got that 87 Chevrolet. And oh, when that pan comes down at 273.99, it's like throwing an anchor out. Another basic half-ton truck, 84 Chevrolet. And got that slack out of the chain. Final pass for that scraper tractor, our flagman. We're under green conditions on both ends. 84 Chevrolet. See a few sparks coming up on that sled and on that track, ladies and gentlemen. We got a little head of ground speed there again, very important. Running them slick street tires right there and spun him out. 241 and 5. No leader change right now. Babe is still out there in the lead at 309. And we're under green conditions. 3/4 ton, 87 model. It is a 4-speed transmission. It's a manual. Hey, fighting that steering wheel past that 200-foot mark. Can you get past that 300? Starting to bounce just a little bit. Skid pan coming down and got him at 280.53. 280.53. That's going to stack him second. That first truck, that white GMC from Perry County, coming in at 309. Then that last truck that just got through pulling at 280. Now, we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trucks. Am I counting right? This is on the line right now, Mr. Daniel Burgess. Full 1-ton cabin chassis, gas, 4-wheel drive. Oh, and you don't want to bounce if you can help it. 38,000 pounds, a heartbreaker too, ladies and gentlemen. Look what you got right here now. You can see on the other end, coming in at, spun him down, 3:03.33. And that's going to move it around a little bit. That's going to stack him in the second. All right, we got him hooked up.
Around the whole chain, I think we'll be all right.
And we under green conditions for Josh. Start to squat just a little bit on the backside. First time to ever pull that truck. He never hooked to a sled before. From Perry County right there, Josh Budge doing the driving now. Easing up on that 200-foot mark. He's a little bit further away from the hooking point than some of these other trucks at 2:01.29. 2:01.29. We appreciate him coming out and being with us. We're going to go back to diesel trucks. The modified division of diesel 4x4s is next. All right, coming down the track, this is Sam. Past that 200-foot mark. Looky here, ladies and gentlemen. Got to get past that 3:03 and change. And I'm telling you what, Sam made a great hook. Coming in, let's give him a good round of applause. He's from Perry County, 3:09.63. We have a new leader. Modified diesels will be next class. We got two left. Here comes the young man. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Lexington, Tennessee area once again, this is Chance Wall doing the driving. And they're again doing a great job going down the track so far. We've been real lucky. We've had no breakage of trucks except for one. Spun him out at 2:85.33. All right, green light, green flag, here he comes with a green truck. Got a whole shot going, ladies and gentlemen, looky here. Past that 200-foot mark, still going, got to get past that 3:03. And knocking on the door, but can't come in. But that's going to be good enough for third, I believe. Nope, take that back. That's going to stack him actually fourth. So we'll have the official order finished in just a little bit. Let's give all these guys, truck drivers, ladies.